Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Nissan Rogue. First, make sure Bluetooth is active on your phone. Then, on your Rogue's infotainment screen, navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select Connections and then choose Add New Device. Your Rogue will now be discoverable, allowing your phone to find it and initiate the pairing process. This initial setup is quick and easy. Once your Rogue appears on your phone's Bluetooth device list, tap to select it. A pairing code will display on both your phone and the Rogue screen. Confirm these codes match. After successful pairing, your Rogue might ask for permission to access your contacts and messages. Granting this allows for hands-free calling and text message display, enhancing your driving experience. For a wired connection, use a certified USB cable to plug your phone into one of the Rogue's USB ports. This connection often enables Apple CarPlay or Android Auto automatically. Follow any on-screen prompts on your Rogue's display to complete the setup for these advanced features. This provides seamless integration for navigation, music, and apps directly on your car's screen. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your phone and the Nissan Rogue's infotainment system. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves most glitches. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, as software updates often include connectivity improvements. For more tips and to check out some great deals, including the darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.